Computer controls. Your partner for performance and solution-oriented components procurement. The current situation on the chip market can be quite challenging for your components procurement and for the supply chains of your production planning. We offer you a wide range of services related to the procurement of electronic components and semiconductors. Whether it's for your initial system concept, manufacturing, or the entire lifecycle management, we make sure you get the right semiconductors and electronic components. Outsource your excess management quickly and easily. We manage distribution of your unused stocks or excess stocks of semiconductors and electronic components. Our experts for special procurement buy semiconductor stocks for you at the best possible prices worldwide using our excellent supplier network. We cooperate with test houses that are located as close as possible to the supplier. In addition to warehousing, we also offer technical support and obsolescence management. When independence and transparency matters, we are your qualified partner. Talk to us. We will find the right solution for you.